welcome to the Crypto Investor Gators. Please give us a follow on Twitter, and you can find the link for our Discord there as well. Please join the Discord to shill your coins, where the community then votes on which videos we make. In today's video, I will be looking at MDB, $1 Million Baby. Are you ready for the future of DeFi? Perpetual growth, mathematically proven. Public launch April 29th. So at the time of this recording, that is still 5 or 6 days away. White paper pre-sale, we will look at those shortly. Trust fund, ecosystem and roadmap. Phase 1. The innovative trust fund ensures growth from day one as the highest. The innovative trust fund ensures growth from day one as the high interest yielded is both invested and used to buy back and burn the tokens. Phase 2. BUSD-backed stable token with an everlasting growth mechanism. Phase 3. Stake MDB and BNB in the liquidity pool to earn passive rewards. Safe and secure. KYC, liquidity locked, CertiK audit coming soon, multi-sig on main investment wallet. And then here are the links for their Twitter, Discord, and Telegram. While I'm taking 2 seconds to scroll back up, please go ahead and hit the like button and consider subscribing. So the white paper I already have opened up, which I want to take a little bit closer look at. The introduction. What is MDB? MDB is an innovative and original DeFi token on the BSC network, utilizing our unique capital synergy mechanisms to ensure long-term perpetual growth for holders. A compound effect of tokenomics, deflationary nature, and intelligent investment strategies power our capital synergy, ensuring a token that will increase in value over time. So again, KYC verified, multi-sig, audit applied for pre-launch, utilizing quantum liquidity as a service sphere. What is MDB's purpose? MDB started as a light bulb moment, $1 Million Baby. Using proven mathematical methods, MDB has the ability to make everyone that holds a millionaire. Seasoned investors in the DeFi space will know all too well that sound investments can be few and far between. Capital synergy takes away that uncertainty. MDB quickly evolved as we explored the mechanisms and methodology behind capital synergy further, and quickly our commitment became to make DeFi better. I do like what they did there with the MDB, make DeFi better, $1 Million Baby. Responsible DeFi is the future, and sustainability is key. In 2010, you could buy 1 Bitcoin for around 39 cents. Today, that same 1 Bitcoin would be worth over $40,000. Value does not have to come from rebases. It is important to note here, Bitcoin didn't have capital synergy or a trust fund backing it. So what is capital synergy? What is capital synergy and how does it work? So capital, assets that add to the long-term net worth of a corporation. Synergy, the interaction of cooperation of 2 or more organizations, substances, or other agents to produce a combined effect greater than the sum of their separate effects. Our unique and original mechanism, capital synergy, creates a cyclical effect whereby numerous components in the project come together to create an everlasting growth effect. Capital synergy is the process of our trust fund and the interest it generates being utilized together to create exponential growth in the inherent value of the MDB token. So please let us know in the comments if you think MDB is something that may be of interest to you to invest in further. Simply put, we have designed a system that acts as a growth engine and an insurance policy all in one. Our trust fund is a high interest generating investment with the interest used to buy back and burn token, generating constant and everlasting buy pressure. That is capital synergy in a nutshell. MDB's unique assets working together to create a compound effect resulting in perpetual growth. Thanks to capital synergy, even if there was zero volume, the value of the token would still increase. Trust fund. What is the trust fund? The trust fund is the driving force behind capital synergy. The trust fund is essentially a large sum of money that is invested strategically to generate interest. That interest is then used to buy back the token and also burn to create deflation. This creates an increase in price for two reasons. One, constant buy pressure. Two, constant deflation. The trust fund will always generate interest and thus always have a positive price impact. The size at launch of the trust fund versus liquidity is a ratio of 5-to-1, meaning that the price impact it will have is substantial. Clever tokenomics. Clever tokenomics ensure that the trust fund always grows. A portion of interest generated goes into the trust fund to increase its value. Taxation on buys and sells also generate additional income for the trust fund. Heavy sell-offs or whales dumping only feed the trust fund's value, meaning that the trust fund to liquidity ratio becomes even more favorable. I think that is very interesting that obviously we've seen that with other tokens where a whale dumps for profit and the price plummets. How will the trust fund be invested? The trust fund will be invested strategically to ensure both high interest and low risk. Our initial method will be 70-20-10 split across a balance of risk reward. The investments need to be flexible to allow for us to gain as high a return as possible. Investments include farming, DeFi products, and vetted smaller tokens with significant ROI. Growth is expected to be significant. Low risk, farming and algorithmic tokens with minimal risk of depreciation, providing solid returns, 40% plus APR. Medium risk, DeFi products with a slightly higher risk profile, but significantly higher return, 80% plus APR. High risk, blend of high interest DeFi, early entry that meet MDB audit standards, as well as smaller marketing-led investments. The Phoenix. Unlocking the Phoenix. The Phoenix is essentially the trust fund interest. Like a phoenix rises from the ashes, our trust fund enables MDB to rise from any dips and create a new price floor. To buy back and burn MDB, to feed the trust fund to accelerate growth, to share with holders in the form of airdrops and other rewards. Phoenix unlocked. When the price is low, we unlock the Phoenix. When the trust fund is plus 20% of market cap, probability of buys are high. Some or all interest accumulated during this period may be used. Phoenix ready. When the trust fund is 10 to 20% of market cap, buys are less likely but not possible. The Phoenix is awake and ready to rise if needed. Be ready, a buy may happen. Phoenix locked. A consolidation period when the trust fund is under 10% of market cap, the probability of a buy is low, with interest fed back into the main trust fund. Other mechanisms, mega buys, holder rewards. So they're definitely putting together a few very interesting things between capital synergy, trust fund, and this Phoenix unlocked, ready, and locked system. Now, let's get into the tokenomics. MDB has a fixed supply of 1 billion tokens. The token is not elastic and new tokens cannot be minted. The taxes on transactions are used only in 2 ways to specifically benefit the protocol. The majority of tax goes straight into the trust fund. This provides a second mechanism to ensure trust fund growth. The first mechanism is that a percentage of interest generated goes back into the trust fund as well. A small percentage to marketing ops to allow us to pay our staff, manage ongoing marketing campaigns, and ensure overall smooth running of the project. The following taxes apply to buys and sells. There is no transfer tax. So a buy is 10% total, where 8% goes to the trust fund and 2% goes to marketing and ops. And the sell tax is 15%, where 12% goes to the trust fund and 3% goes to marketing and operations. So if you've made it this far into the video, please give us a like and consider subscribing. So the ecosystem, again, going through the phase 1, the phase 2, the phase 3, and the buy-sell taxes, and the BSC network. Again, you can easily find this website if you would like to look into it further. The roadmap. So launch socials and begin marketing, which is where we are right now. Apply for audit, complete private and pre-sales, public launch on PancakeSwap, launch Millionaires Club and VIP, apply for CMC and CoinGecko listings, announce initial partnerships, confirm initial trust fund investments, launch the Gravity project. Month 2 and 3, website version 2, DApp, launch phase 2, MDB Plus, implement QLAS, continue high-level marketing campaign and press releases, launch phase 3, MDB Stake, announce new partnerships, list on further decentralized exchanges, launch Project X, which is to be announced, and launch phase 4 to be announced. How is MDB different? MDB cannot be crashed forever by whales. We protect your investment. Even if a whale sells, Capital Synergy offers insurance against a total token crash due to everlasting buy pressure. The recovery may not be instant, but it will happen over a period of time, giving long-term holders reassurance. The supply is not elastic. Our supply is fixed with a burning mechanism, ensuring perpetual growth from both Capital Synergy support and the Phoenix mechanism, pushing up the value of tokens in supply. Upfront investments in the token and trust fund ensure buy pressure and growth immediately from launch. Liquidity at launch is expected to be at least 10% of market cap and backed at a ratio of approximately 5 to 1, 500%. Furthermore, we encourage profit taking. And the team. Our KYC team consists of a group of individuals with a vast experience within both business and DeFi. Our CEO, known as MDB on our socials, has extensive experience of running and growing SaaS businesses, as well as a strong experience in DeFi and investing. MDB has expressed commitment to docs in the future as well. So I think that's the important part, the commitment to be doxed in the future, so we actually know who these team members are. It's always nice to have a face, and then personally, I generally feel that's less chance of a rug pull when you can actually see people, real people. We also have an extensive and experienced tech and community team. The mix between business, real world, and DeFi experience creates an exciting and dynamic team to lead the project forward. Launch. launches in two main phases: pre-sale and public launch. Everything raised during pre-sale is going into the MDB ecosystem. The team have paid all upfront and launch costs from their own pockets. The success of the project is key here, over and above any short-term gains the team could make by not putting the entire raise into the ecosystem. So the pre-sale started just roughly a week ago via DApp on our website. Initial price $0.0025, hard cap $1 million, max allocation per wallet 10,000, and BNB to be used. Phase 2, April 22nd, so just a day or two ago as of the time of this recording. Via DApp on our website, initial price $0.0025, hard cap $250,000 plus anything unsold from phase 1 plus contingency if required. Max allocation per wallet 2,000, BNB to be used, and then the public launch on April 29th using PancakeSwap and the starting price at $0.003. Partnerships. We are committed to a more responsible DeFi and making DeFi better, but we recognize we cannot do this alone. We welcome partnerships from like-minded projects, so do get in contact if you have a proposal. And their official links to their Twitter, to this website, or back to the website. I guess I'm on a different, for the white paper, the Discord and the Telegram. Now the Discord, I'm just going to click on quickly here. That's not what I meant to do. The pre-sale. When you click on the pre-sale, it takes you to an accept invite to their Discord. Currently has just shy of 2,000 members online and almost 12,000 members total. So there's definitely interest in this project. And again, let us know in the comments if you have interest in this project, if you're going to invest in it. We would love to know. And again, please leave a like on the video and consider subscribing.